Hello all of you, I'm Shihara. Welcome to my personality development channel. Subscribe my channel now if you sincerely want to learn concepts related to personality development and English. I'm back with the ESL Teaching Techniques for Kids series. These videos act as support material for homeschooling parents, ESL teachers and parents who would like to give some extra knowledge to their kids related to spoken English. And if you are starting to learn English from the very beginning, I think this is a very good place to start. You can follow these videos as well. So let's go to today's lesson.
So today we are going to see how to teach yes and no answers for kids who are around 5 to 7 years. So our main goal here is to help our kids to think in complete sentences. So at this age, typically a child wouldn't use full sentences or complete sentences when answering questions. They would just say yes or no. So we are trying to help them to construct meaningful sentences using yes and no here. So our second goal is to help them to think quickly in English. So this is a very good exercise that you can introduce to your children to think quickly. You'll have to ask the questions very quickly so that they could think fast and answer in full sentences. So we'll see how to do it. You can give an example like this. You can show a picture of a kite and ask, is this a kite? They can answer, yes it is, or alternatively, they can use a longer sentence like, yes it is a kite. Then you can show a picture and ask whether it's a different object. For example, is this a house? They could say, no it isn't, or they could say, no, it isn't a house. That's a longer version of the answer. They can use either of these answers when answering the questions. So first of all, let's help them to familiarize with these separate sentence structures. They'll have to first familiarize with the pronunciation of these sentences, the pronunciation of the words yes, it is, no, it isn't, like that. So in order to help them to familiarize with these sentence structures, we'll first ask the same question in the same sentence structure. So here they'll have to just answer yes it is, or alternatively they can give the longer answer, yes it is a. So this is an example exercise you could do with them. I'll show you exactly how to do it so that you can reciprocate it with them. So let's see how the exercise could be done. Is it a bat? Is it a ball? Is it a bell? Is it a box? Is it a bed? Is it a bus? Is it a bag? Is it a book? Is it a bottle? Is it a broom? Okay, now let's help them to familiarize with the no answer. No, it isn't, or no, it isn't a, and the noun. So let's help them to familiarize with the pronunciation of the sentence structure and to understand the concept of it. So this is how I would typically do the exercise. So I'll show you how I do the exercise. You can do the same with your kids. Is this a pen? Is this a house? Is this a house? Is this a cat? Is this a watch? Is this a bed? Is this a pillow? Is this a light? Is this a bed? Is this a mirror? Okay, now this is another example for an exercise. Here we help them to focus on mixed sentence structures. That means I'll be asking the question and they have to be more vigilant in answering it. It can be the yes answer or it can be the no answer. So they will have to answer yes it is or yes it is a with the noun, or no it isn't and no it isn't a and the noun. So we'll see how to do this exercise. You can do it just like this with your kids. Is this a dog? Is this a doll? Is this a pen? Is this a fish? Is this a spoon? Is this a file? Is this a glass? Is this a house? Is this a pen? Is this a cup? So like that you can change the question so that the children will have to answer yes and no both. They will have to focus more before answering because it might be an yes answer or a no answer. So this is how I would help them to understand the concepts of yes and no in English and help them to use complete sentences when answering them.
So that's all I have for you today. Stay safe and take care and have a pleasant day.